Hello, little artist. Today we are drawing a more realistic bird, a blue jay. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is the eye is just a circle, and inside of that one we're gonna do a little one towards the top, and that one is gonna stay white. Now let's do the top of the head, and it's just align the curves down, and then we're gonna do the back of the head, and it's just curvy lines that goes down, so two of them and then one big one for the back of the head. Now here I want to do the beak, and I'm just gonna start with a shape of like a letter M, and now I want to end this on a triangle. See how here is curvy and then it goes down and it closes like a triangle. And now from this curve here I'm going to do a line to finish the beak. Next thing we're going to do is a detail here it has in front of, like it's like a spot that he has in the front, and we're gonna detail this after with coloring, so just like that. Okay, now let's do here the front, like kind of like the neck part, and from this point I want to start doing more curvy lines. Then it goes just down, and now I'm gonna join these with this corner right here, so you see these curvy lines, and then I want to continue with now the feathers of the top of the wings. So we're just gonna go and do curvy lines, kind of like a U shapes together, and I'm just gonna continue doing this till we get to the other side. So let's do a couple more here, one, and then close to the other side. Now to this point we're gonna do here little curvy line that goes down just like that. Okay, now I want to start from this point down, and that's the first part of the wing, so it's a line and the curves down. Now let's do one more curve here like a letter U, and now a straight line up just like this. Now I'm gonna do the other detail on the wings here, so this one is like a long letter U, and let's do a couple more long letter U's here. I think I can do one curvy line right here and a line that comes from here to here. There. So that's the wings. Now let's do more detail here. So two more letter U's together, and I think I want to extend this line here and this one right here. Okay, the next step is gonna be the tail. So we're gonna do a line down here. It's gonna be long, so just like that. Now I'm gonna do a curved line that goes up, little one, and then now let's go up again. Okay, we're gonna do a couple like this, so let's go one more, and let's do one more here. So curvy line, little one, and then up, all the way up. Okay, that's the tail. Now let's do the bottom part. So I'm gonna start here with a curve that goes up, and from this point I'm gonna do little curvies, just 3. That's kind of where the legs are gonna come, and then from up here I'm gonna just do a curvy line that goes down. Okay, so down here, that's it. Okay, now let's continue with the bottom part. So here I'm gonna draw the tree branch that he's standing on. So I'm gonna start with that line that goes up, and it opens a little bit. Now leaving a space and do one more, kind of the same idea. And you notice my lines are bumpy, like not really straight. Now from here I'm doing the first leg, just 2 lines that I'm leaving really little space in the middle. And now from this one I'm doing 2 letter L's. Can you see the little letter L? And then 2 diagonal lines that goes from here, the same little space in the middle. Now for his feet I'm just gonna do 3 fingers in this one, and the claw is this part. So that's the first one. Now let's do one more finger here. And I'm gonna close here a little bit of the tree branch just with 2 curvy lines. And here I'm doing one more finger with the detail here, like to make a claw, and then one more little one here. And close the branch here, and one more finger here. Okay, so this bird is pretty much done, the part of the marker. I'm just gonna do this filling. I'm just gonna fill here with black, and what I'm doing is I'm going around the white circle just to make it a little smaller, and then that's it. We're ready for my favorite part. So for this, I'm just using these colors, and remember, you can always pause the video just to copy what I did. Okay, so let's color. Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!